In front of me is Nokia 5310, and let me show you how to block a number on this phone. So first of all, you need to open menu and reach your contacts. Then tap on options and pick block list right here. And tap on options then. If you'd like to add someone to your block list, just choose this option, add to block list, and provide a number. Tap on OK. And from now on, this number is added to your blacklist, so this contact will not be able to reach you anyhow. You will not receive any call or message from this number. And then if you'd like to unblock this number, just tap on options again and choose remove from blacklist. And as you can see, it's no longer here, and your friend will be able to reach you. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.